Hello everyone! Today we are focusing on advanced warm-up exercises for skaters. We will be covering rockers, counters, twizzles, and loops. Each exercise will be demonstrated in slow motion so you can clearly follow along. Let's get started. Our first exercise, forward outside rocker. On the left foot, we will start with left foot, cross in front with the right, back and side edge. Step forward on the left outside edge, do cross roll, and then start from other foot. Forward outside rocker from right foot, cross in front with left, step forward, and forward outside cross roll. If you did not learn rockers yet, you can make more simple exercise out of this by doing 3 turn, forward outside 3 turn, and then power pull, and then cross in front. Moving on to forward inside rockers, which we're going to combine with forward crossover. And we're going to do this on half circles, alternating your feet every time. Let's look at the slow motion. We're going to start with right forward inside rocker, gliding half circle and backward inside edge. Step into forward crossover to the left, and then start on new circle with left forward inside rocker, again gliding half circle and backward inside edge, and then forward crossover to the right. Work with your knees, ankles, check your shoulders after each rocker, and keep your free leg closer to your skating leg while you're turning. Next, we're going to move to backward outside rockers and combine this with forward inside mohawk. It is not as complicated transition as it seems at first. We're going to see this in slow motion, and I will explain you how to step into that forward inside mohawk. We'll start with right backward outside rocker. You exit that rocker, you get the free leg behind, cross behind, step on that left foot, gliding on forward inside edge, and then after that you step into your inside mohawk on your right foot, and then push back from left leg into another rocker. And again, rocker, you exit on outside edge, free leg sliding behind, cross behind right here. Left foot extending in front, you gliding on right forward inside edge, then you step into mohawk on left backward inside edge, then you shift your weight on your right foot and push with your left foot to glide on the right backward outside edge. Then you continue again from right leg. If you enjoyed this video and learning something new, remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful information and tips. Share your thoughts in the comments. What kind of exercises would you like to see more on my channel? Moving on to backward inside rockers. Backward outside rockers we did with forward inside mohawk transition. Backward inside rockers we're going to do with forward outside mohawk transition. Let's look at this closely again. Start from backward inside rocker, exiting on forward inside edge, step into left outside, forward outside mohawk, to right backward outside edge, and cross in front with left backward inside edge, going straight into rocker from other leg. Again, exiting on forward inside edge on the left, step on the right outside edge into forward outside mohawk, left backward outside edge after mohawk, and then cross in front with right backward inside edge. We're going to go with same exercises over counters as we did with rockers. I'm going really quick because it's same combinations. So forward outside counter, cross in front, step forward, switch with cross roll, and then step on other leg. With inside, inside counter, forward crossover on other circle, switch your leg, and then start from other leg with counter again. So right foot, forward inside counter, crossover to the left, and then left foot inside counter, crossover to the right. Backward outside, counter, cross behind, and then mohawk. Make sure to push backward outside to get more speed and power going into that counter. Bend your knees, ankles, work your edges, and you can always click on the link above or look in the description below to find my tutorial on beginner counters. Now we're going to do backward and side counters with outside 3-step mohawk, same as we did for rockers. All these exercises are excellent for developing control and agility and edge work, and specifically for edge precision, turn technique, quick transitions, and body alignment and balance. As you see, now we're moving to Twizzles and loops combinations. And we're going to start with forward outside twizzle, pushing into back inside loop. And then start from other leg after we switch with cross roll. Next, we're going to do forward inside twizzle, exiting backward, doing backward cross roll into a backward outside loop, and then 3 turn immediately after that. Wow, that was even too quick for me. Let's take this in slow motion. Right forward inside twizzle, exiting backward outside on the right leg, backward outside cross roll into left backward outside loop, and backward outside 3 turn on the left foot. Then step on the right inside edge, and then switch your leg, start on a left forward inside twizzle, exiting backward, backward outside cross roll into right leg, followed by right backward outside loop, and then right backward outside 3 turn. After we did forward twizzles with backward loops, we're going to reverse and start from loops, forward outside loops, with 3 turn and going into backward inside twizzle. Look at this again. Forward outside loop on the left foot, 3 turn immediately after that, forward outside 3 turn, step backward inside on the right foot into twizzle and exit the twizzle forward. After that, you're doing cross roll, switch legs, and start from right forward outside loop, forward outside 3 turn, and then backward inside twizzle on the left foot, again exiting forward. And now forward inside loops with 3 turn and backward outside twizzle. Click on the link above or look in the description below if you are a beginner and just start learning loops and twizzles. Now let's look at this in slow motion again. Forward inside loop from right leg and forward inside 3 turn from right leg. Then push back outside into left backward outside twizzle, exiting forward. And then switch your leg with inside edge, start on a left forward inside loop, 3 turn immediately after that, and then push back outside into right foot backward outside twizzle. These exercises are the great way to challenge yourself and improve your edge control, balance, and precision on the ice. Remember, mastering these skills take time and consistent practice, so be patient and focus on the details. Keep revisiting these drills to build your confidence and flow with more advanced moves. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and let me know your thoughts or any questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and exercises to enhance your figure skating skills. See you next time and happy skating!